Okay, our next award is going to the new product of the year. So let's see the nominees.
The nominees for new product of the year are Supreme Washing System by Save Your Fur, Lee Pro by Wall, Podagear Polish Pens by Warren London, and Fit to Be Dry Table Towels by ABAB.
All right, and the new product of the year goes to Warren London. Todd Shelley accepting for Warren London.
I'll accept it for him. I guess he would say thanks, and check out his ad in Groomer to Groomer, and support him so he keeps supporting the magazine. And I need one of these for my office, so unless he claims it, I'm keeping it.